today we're walking over to the town of Stewart, BC to check out their festival today. And we're going to take their boardwalk over to the festival.
Cool.
Yep. It should be interesting. Now this festival could be like a small family reunion or a big family reunion, because there's only 50 people that live here.
Well, that's in Hyder.
Hyder, there's 50 people.
Over here, it's a couple hundred.
A couple hundred? A couple hundred,
600?
okay.
No, what is that?
500. 500, I think, yeah. So we'll see. We'll see. Green marsh out here. Yeah, I don't know what that is over there. Of course the wind's trying to blow. Of course, right? So, y'all, the town back in the day used to be, you see where the pylons are? There used to be buildings out here.
I think that was in the 1800s.
Yeah, it's been a long, long time.
The extreme high tides at time, it always flooded.
Yeah, so they
it.
moved the town like they did everything else.
Yeah, and it still has flooded over there.
Oh, for sure. Okay. It's a large festival, y'all. It's a big family reunion.
It's cute.
It is cute. Love it.
Yep.
With the American flag and the Canadian flag. That's awesome.
This is probably their Veterans Memorial. I'm going to go up and read it.
So, Mr. Childers, how is your community lunch?
Very good.
They had a taco bar, y'all, and it is really, really good.
By donation.
By donation, yes. It's pretty active here. Kind of eerie out here today. We have haze. The tide is in. Birds are quiet. We do have a little seal that's out here again. Look at there. I don't know if you can see. There is a fish swimming on top of the water right there. Whoa, one just flipped over here. Isn't it crazy looking though? Oh, there's our little seal. It's a popping his head up. He really wants to come over here and see us. It is trying to clear off, thank goodness. Earlier today, you could not even see the glacier up there. Yeah, we see you out there, little guy. Uh-oh, hear the eagles? Yeah, it's pretty quiet today. Pretty quiet. It's kind of eerie when all this land in here disappears. Hear the water. So peaceful and quiet. Yeah, we know. We know. I love it. This is one of our favorite boondocking spots. I know it's ugly to come back this way, But I tell you what, once you get here, you forget that that's over there. It's just gorgeous. There he is. Look at him. He said, I'm going to show y'all a little bit more of my body. It's pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. The weird thing is we haven't even seen very many eagles today. That's a seagull there. Yeah, we're still keeping our ears peeled for bear.